14.2 Client 2 Joseph Akbar. This is the client part Q. We asked him if he's had heart problems. The answer was yes, he has coronary heart disease. High blood pressure, as seen from the health consultation. Yes, he does. Asthma. From the health consultation, we saw that his lung flow test could be likely. Diabetes, non-recorded. Non-applicable, I mean. High cholesterol, no, and family history of CHD, yes, and the client has CHD himself. We asked the client if he's ever been advised not to exercise by a doctor or a GP, but we do know that the doctor has cleared him for exercise. The current or recent injuries are none, but the client is prone to injury, or claims that he is prone to injury. Additional information. Client's BMI shows that he is obese. This is dangerous as it can lead to coronary heart disease, which he already has, and other problems. These other problems may be heart attacks or worse. Client consultation. And this is the client profile. Client's name is Dave Moon, age 54. He has a long history of binge smoking, drinking, and has heart problems, but the GP has cleared him for exercise. His lifestyle details, he works and sleeps, doesn't really have any hobbies. His nutritional background, he eats very badly. He claims that 5 days of his weekly intake is fast food due to work. This is breakfast, lunch and dinner. And he also drinks a lot of alcohol. Barriers to exercise would be his sedentary lifestyle, his weight, and his smoking. His exercise interests. He has no specific interest, doesn't mind what he does as long as it helps him achieve his goal. He can work out alone or with company, and he enjoys all sports and would like to participate in a lot of them over the 6-week program. His main sport is football. The client's targets. After 3 weeks, the client and I agreed that he wants to lose 6 pounds of fat, and it could be done. He also wants to gain muscle in this time. Wants to lose 6 pounds of fat as well as gain muscle. After 6 weeks of the program, the client wants to improve fitness levels and gain muscle mass, and the client's main goal is to be able to play football again, 5-a-side preferably. Sport activities, he wants to be able to play football again. The components of fitness will mainly be cardiovascular endurance and a decrease in body fat composition. The muscle groups will be all of them. We'll be targeting all of them throughout the weeks, and the starting point and how we will measure improvements. If the client feels comfortable, I will use a skin fold caliper to determine his weight at the end of the program. From the health consultation, where I previously used a skin, previously measured his BMI, which is 31.5. If the client does not feel comfortable, I will ask him to measure his weight using a scale instead. If he doesn't feel comfortable telling me, he can hold the information for him to know. Week 1. The client has work from 7 till 5, and is therefore able to do exercise when he gets back from work. I'd recommend doing HIIT workouts on the first day, as the client will not feel motivated to go outside and do exercise after work. This will likely change after the first couple weeks, but instead is more likely to do exercise if done at home. The HIIT exercise should focus on all of the body, and therefore should include workouts all done for 30 seconds. Should include exercises all done for 30 seconds with a 10-second rest between each exercise. This complete workout should be done twice. This workout can be done at home or at a gym. Tuesday. The client has work from 7 till 5, and therefore I would recommend him doing exercise outdoors and working at his fat-burning heart rate. As he has the day off work the next day, he will get more rest instead of waking up early, and will likely be more motivated to exercise. Because the client is a beginner, and leads a sedentary lifestyle, I'd recommend a brisk walk for a mile that keeps him in his fat-burning range throughout the exercise. This can be monitored by buying either a cheap heart rate monitor online or a heart rate tracker such as a Fitbit. This will be useful to the client as we will know when he needs to increase or decrease the intensity of his exercise, and also because he has coronary heart disease. Wednesday. The client mentioned that he wants to work his way into being able to play five-a-side football games again. Therefore, I'd recommend the client joins a walking football league, as he doesn't yet feel comfortable playing five-a-side. This will help the client feel better psychologically as he is playing the sport he wanted to again, and will interact with people who may be in a similar situation whilst also playing the sport he does want to play. I would recommend this is done in the late afternoon or early evening, as a client has an early start for work the next day and will therefore need to recover. Thursday. The client has work from 9 till 7. However, due to the prior 3 days, I believe the client should have a day of rest after work. The client has bad nutritional habits such as smoking and drinking and eating lots of fast food. Therefore, I'd recommend the client uses this day to prepare meals for the next few days of work. I believe the client should prepare his meals at least once or twice every week in order to make eating in a calorie deficit more easy. Friday. The client has work from 9 to 7. I'd recommend the client does a HIIT workout before work, as the exercise will have an afterburning effect due to the rise in metabolism during the exercise, and this will last for about 12 hours. The metabolism will stay increased and will take a while to revert. Therefore, if done before work, he'll be losing more calories than usual from dropping off deliveries and unloading the truck. I'd recommend another full body workout of 30 seconds with 10-second rest between each exercise. Example of this workout would be half burpees, step-ups, jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, planks, lunges, and a wall sit. Saturday. The client does not have work today, and the main goal is to lose weight. Therefore, I would again recommend a brisk walk to the client, or using a Fitbit to make sure he is in his target fat-burning zone. At this point in the program, there will be no significant changes to the client's cardiovascular endurance, and due to a sedentary lifestyle, the week before, and coronary heart disease, I do not feel it is safe for the client to begin jogging as of now. Also, if the client is still within his fat-burning heart rate range, while walking, there is no need to change to jogging, where he will likely be working harder than the ideal range. Sunday. The client does not have work on this day. However, I believe the client should have a rest day on this day, where he can prep his meals for the next day of work, as he will also need to change his diet to successfully lose weight, as this was a key problem. The client's meal should consist of a fist size of protein, half the plate with vegetables, and the rest with carbs. At first, the client may not feel as energized due to less calories, but should grow out of it by week 3. Week 2, Monday. The client has work from 7 till 5 and is therefore able to do exercise when he gets back from work. The client mentioned he has a long-term goal of increasing muscle mass, with a short-term goal of losing 6 pounds after 3 weeks. Therefore, I would recommend the client does training to increase strength as opposed to increasing muscle mass. But after 3 weeks, can move on to training for muscular hypertrophy. I'd recommend the client starts with an arm and chest workout and does between 2 to 6 reps with 2 to 3 sets. An example of the workout the client could do would be easy bar curls of 4 reps and 2 sets, chest press 2 reps and 3 sets, concentration curls of 6 reps and 2 sets, dumbbell chest press for 4 reps and 2 sets, and hammer curls of 6 reps and 2 sets. Tuesday. The client has work from 7 till 5 today. However, I would recommend the client plays walking football. The client does not have any hobbies, therefore I feel trying out different
Trying out different sports for the client. Trying out different sports the client said he enjoyed during his health consultation, such as football, squash or swimming, will be beneficial for him. I've started with walking football as this is the client's favourite sport. As football is the client's favourite sport, but will vary through the weeks ahead. Wednesday. Client has work from 9 till 7. I'd recommend the client does a HIIT workout before work, as the exercise will have an afterburning effect due to the rise in metabolism during the exercise. This workout will be the same as last week's, with time increased to make it more demanding for the client. I'd recommend another full body workout of 40 seconds with 15 seconds rest. The workout should be half burpees, step-ups, jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, planks, lunges, and a wall sit. Thursday. As the client is trying to lose weight, I'd recommend the client does another a brisk walk, whilst using a Fitbit to monitor his heart rate. This is important for the client as he has coronary heart disease and high blood pressure. Therefore, working too hard at too high a heart rate will be dangerous for the client. Using this, the client will know the distance will know the distance of how far he's gone and his ideal fat burning heart rate to stay on, which is 111 to 134 beats per minute, and will remain this throughout the whole of the program when doing cardiovascular training. Friday. The client has work on this day from 9 till 7. He has mentioned that he would enjoy playing sports, and therefore I would recommend the client plays five-a-side walking football again. This is beneficial as it can help the client build skill and confidence. The client does not have working on this day, and I believe the client should use this as a rest day. Similar to last week, the client should use this day to prep any meals for the upcoming week, to help the client keep a strict diet and help achieve his negotiated short-term goal of losing 6 pounds of fat by the end of week 3. The client has had a rest day the prior day and does not have work. Therefore, I would recommend the client plays walking football as the client enjoys playing and his sport is football. I also believe this will help the client to build skill and confidence, reaching his goal of playing five-a-side again. Just like week 1, I would recommend the client also uses this day to prep any meals in order to prep any meals for his next week of work. Week 3. Monday. The client has work from 7 till 5 on this day. Instead of proceeding with high intensity anaerobic exercise as done on the previous 2 weeks, I'd recommend the client uses this day to do his brisk walk within his fat burning zone of 111 to 134 beats per minute. As this is the earliest day the client finishes work. The walk should be done for about a mile whilst wearing a Fitbit to monitor his heart rate. At this point, there may be a slight change in the cardiovascular endurance and therefore might need to increase the intensity of the exercise to be working within his fat burning zone.